Good morning, students. I hope you are fine at home. Today I am here to explain the second poem of our course book, When You Are Old. Before starting the poem, let's see the introduction. When You Are Old. The poem is written by W.B. Yeats and he is an Irish poet. W.B. it stands for William Butler. The present poem first published in 1893. When Yeats published his first collection poems in 1889, he met a 23-year young Irish revolutionary named Maud Gonne and instantly fell in love with her. In 1889, at the time of publication of his collection of poems, he met one of the ladies, Irish revolutionaries, and her name was Maud Gonne, and he instantly fell in love with her. In W.B. Yeats' poems, in most of his poems, he immortalized her love. In most of his love poems, he mentioned indirectly his love for the lady. When You Are Old, this is one such poem. It is a love poem. The theme of the poem is love. Now let's begin the poem. First stanza. When you are old and grey and full of sleep, and nodding by the fire, take down this book, and slowly read, and dream of the soft look your eyes had once, and of their shadows dim. This is the first stanza of the poem When You Are Old. In the present stanza, the poet addresses his lover, his beloved, that she should take down this book. Here this book stands for the book of the poems which was written by W.B. Yeats. So the poet addresses his beloved to take down this book and read it slowly when she grows old. And when she grows old, her eyes become grey, her hair becomes grey, and sits by the fireplace feeling sleepy. The poet addresses his beloved to take down this book slowly, to read it, and she sits by a fire in sleeping mood. Further, the poet suggests that after going through the pages of the book of poems, she should recollect as if in a dream that her eyes once had the soft look and her eyes were deep and shadowed. The poet further suggests the beloved that you take down this book, read it slowly, and while reading, when you turn down the pages, you had a dream, and in the dream that you could see, you have to recollect, you have to remember as if in a dream that her eyes once they were soft and her eyes they were deep and shadowy. It means the poet wants to tell his beloved that when she grows old, that time she should recollect that in past she had very beautiful eyes. This is about the first stanza. Now let's understand the second stanza. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. Now let's understand the second stanza. How many loved your moments of glad grace and loved your beauty with love false or true. In these lines, the poet suggests his beloved to analyze that how many young men used to love her truly or falsely. The poet suggests his beloved to analyze as to how many of the young men loved her truly or falsely. After a deep consideration, means after analyzing, after a deep thought, she came to the conclusion that most of the young men, all the young men, they had physical love in their hearts. Here we come to know that the poet's beloved, Maud Gonne, she was loved, she was admired by many young men, and those young men, they loved her physically. They loved her beauty, not her soul, not her heart. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you and loved the sorrows of your changing face. In these lines, the poet talks about himself. The poet loves the lady Maud Gonne truly, and that is why he states that he used to love her from bottom of his heart. The poet loves her from bottom of his heart. It means the poet's love for his beloved was true. It was not only physical love, but he loved the lady truly. Further he says that the poet, he was always sensitive to the changes that went on her face. Here the poet wants to say that the poet was always sensitive. He is able to identify the changing face, the word changing face. It says that he was able to read and understand her face. The poet was able to read and understand his beloved's face. Whether she is happy, she is sad, she is unhappy, all types of sorrows, happiness, in whatever state his beloved was, that was easily read and understood by the poet. So in the second stanza, the poet in the last two lines wanted to convey that his love for the lady was true. It was not a physical love. He used to love her from bottom of his heart, and that is why here it is written, but one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. The poet loved her heart, not her physical beauty. Now let's see the third stanza and the last stanza of the poem. And bending down beside the glowing bars, murmured a little sadly how love fled, and paced upon the mountain overhead, and hid his face amid a crowd of stars. This is the last stanza of the poem, and in the last stanza, the poet imagines his beloved as an old woman who is sitting beside the fire. In the last stanza, the poet imagines his beloved as an old woman who is sitting beside the fire. Now she is bending down. Now at the present she is bending down the glowing bars of the fireplace. Where she is sitting, she is sitting down glowing bars of the fireplace. And what was she doing? She was murmuring. She was speaking softly a few words of regret. Now, why she regretted? Why she regretted? Because she rejected true love. She rejected true love of the poet. In the previous stanza, we have seen when she analyzed about the young men. So different young men, they used to loved her, but their love was physical, their love was false. But one man who loved her truly, and that was the poet. But the poet's love was rejected. So when she grows old, she is sitting beside the fire. During that time, she murmurs a few words of regret. And what she regretted, how the true love has fled from the world and become impossible to find. She regretted, she has pain that now she has lost true love. The true love, it was fled. The true love, it was fled. It fled from this world and become impossible to find. Where the true love has gone, now it is impossible for the lady to find. So in the last stanza, in the last four lines, the lady, she regrets that true love fled from the world and become impossible to find. This is about the poem When You Are Old. This is a love poem in which the poet has expressed his love for a lady not gone. The poet's love was rejected once upon a time. So, and in this poem, lastly, he said that the beloved, she regrets that true love fled from the world and now it becomes impossible to find. This is all about this poem. You read the poem carefully, watch the video and understand. Thank you.